one quadratic equation is given, you can see g square plus 10g minus 24 equals 0. And what is one of the solution to the given equation? So simply you have to find the solution of the given quadratic equation and write one of the solutions, right? It is not saying anything with a positive or negative or what type of solution. Okay, so simply we will solve this. So g square plus 10g minus 24, that equals 0. So if we split this term, okay, this term you can split. If you compare this with ag square plus bg plus c, we have a equal to 1, b equal to 10, and c equals negative 24, right? So now we want to split this 10g into two terms. Let's say p and q. So p plus q should be equal to 10, right? It should be equal to b. So p plus q should be equal to 10, and p times q, that should be equal to what? It will be a times c. A times c, that is negative 24, right? Negative 24. Now you think the product of two numbers is negative. It means either means both should not be positive or both should not be negative. One has to be negative, right? Okay, one has to be negative. Now if you see the sum is positive, it means the number which has a greater magnitude will be positive, right? Now if you work out, you can get that your value of p may be, okay, it may be 12 and q may be minus 2. If you work out, you can find that it satisfies both this equation. So what we can write, this you can write as g square plus 12g minus 2g and plus minus 24, that equals 0. So if we take out g as a common factor from the first two terms, we can write g times g plus 12, and taking minus 2 as a common factor from the last two terms, we can write 2 times g plus 12, and that should be equal to 0. So now taking this binomial g plus 12 as a common factor, we can write it as g plus 12 times g minus 2, right? That equals 0. Means either this factor will be equal to 0 or this factor will be equal to 0 using the zero product property, right? Means the product of two numbers is 0, means one of them must be 0, right? So solving this, you will get g equal to minus 12 or you will get g equal to 2. So anyone you can write, here's your answer. Either you write minus 12 or you write 2. Anyone you can write, okay?